Look at his tail. Hi.
Okay, that's your brother. That's enough.
Did he go to the bathroom out there, Frank?
No.
Oh, there you are.
Beauty, stop it. Don't let her.
You hear me?
Because he was farting a lot, but then I came there. Oh, yeah, you need to, huh? You need to. Bella doesn't mind, huh? She doesn't mind him, no. You know, well, her feelings kind of get hurt. Huh? Her feelings kind of get hurt. You know, I'm wondering if they're inbred, and that's why they're so funny looking. Because have you seen their eyes? Their eyes are weird. I wonder if that's...
Oh, they could be.
They are.
So stupid.
Mike says they do that.